Kalelu satapa akusi de fila de prakusa de vinadu bra alesi kadedu zada prejidisa bragada uda bragadi kapale rudus kapandia dus yadagada eredu fa pele rupale quada anescuba alevida bragadis kubra. Whatever that is in your body that is not of nature, that negative begin to leave you now. Ilelu siziduska lakadiski baladusa de belegedi bragada kabuska digede rananu zebeli bra alevidus abregudus ki bragada kaduska fandi du suda bragada elelura la le kada dindi aduza kandi kudubra ale kwazi kabandis kubra redaduza bale kuzida vale dumiana anekuazi kadize dezubra redade de dida kadia gadusa. My star begin to shine now. My star begin to shine. My head take me to places where nobody in my family has been to. I begin to break generational curses. I begin to experience new life, experience new things. Now I meet new people. I make new friends. Money come to me easily without stressing for it. Malakades ozozo baragadis kepala kuski valadibra alakada. Wherever that is in my body that is not functioning, begin to function now. Begin to function. The function fine right now. Every dead thing in my body begin to receive life. Those dead organs are coming back to life. Alalu pa pare ku iski katapa izedu pare gidus kamani dubra ale kwazi kedi kadagadus kubra radadeku avi veleru bilnedozi kabaragadus kandis kubra ale kwadiza bragada. Now people bless me, people favor me, people love me, people want to work with me. They dash me money. I wake up to see money on my phone. I get alerts. Nature bless me abundantly, bountifully right now. I see a vision. I see private jets in my vision. Somebody's about to enter private jets. Yes, you're about to enter a private jet. I claim this for myself. I claim it. I claim it. I claim it. Kaladaski kadabragadu squad. Do well to share my videos, man. Salam.